Hi, hello everyone. How are you doing? Hope you are doing very well. I am also very good. Today I stand before you to tell you how important is English. Do you think English is important in our day to day life? So the answer is absolutely yes. English and English grammar is very important because nowadays the world is full of competition. If you go anywhere, if you attend any exam, if you attend any interview, there is a huge competition. So in order to survive in this huge competition, one should possess a high standard English speaking skills. If you are lack of English speaking skills, then you are worth for nothing. Nobody will care for you. So here in this video I am going to explain how important is English, why learning English is so significant, crucial in our lives. Okay, so first of all I will tell you an example, that is, if you build a house without cement, will it be strong? My question once again, if you try to build a house without cement, the house will be collapsed. So in the same way, if you try to speak English without following the grammatical rules, then it will be of no use. You may be intelligent, you may be clever, but if you are unable to express your ideas and thoughts in a correct way, speedily, confidently, correctly, the most important, then you will be nothing. So in order to improve your English skills, here you will be provided with 5 videos, a series of 5 videos which are basic foundation in English grammar. The fundamental topics will be provided to you. So you have to go through that, you have to listen carefully, and you should make note of everything in your notebooks. So to understand the significance of English and English grammar, I will tell you a real example which I experienced. Okay, in my street there were 2 friends. One friend with academic percentage 95%. So he is very cleverer than the second person. So his academic percentage is 95% and the other friend's percentage is just 70%. Now both of them went to attend for an interview to get a job. Now my question, who according to you will secure a job? The man with 95% or the man with 70%? What is your answer? Probably your answer will be the first one, the first man with 95%, because as he is clever, he got 95%. So you may think he might have got the job, but the person who got 70% has secured the job. I will tell you why. So both of them entered into a company to attend for an interview. First, the man with 95% entered into the room and the interviewer asked many questions, and after that he came out. And after that the second man's turn came, he entered into the room and he was asked many questions and he also came out. After some days, the second person who got 70% has been offered an appointment letter. He was selected for the position. Why? Because the first man with 95%, he is very intelligent, he is very clever, but in front of the interviewers, he was unable to express his thoughts freely and correctly, in grammatically correct way. He was unable to express that. So he was unable to impress the interviewer. And the man with 70%, he was just an average student, but he has a very good communication skills. He can able to express wide range of expressions through his speaking skills. So from childhood onwards, he was very much interested in English and he was efficient speaker in English. So as soon as he entered into the room where interview is taking place, he expressed all his views, but he didn't answer all the questions. He answered a very few questions, but he expressed very boldly, correctly, and that is the reason why even he has a less percentage, he was offered the appointment letter. So this is how English is very important in our life. If you can go anywhere, whatever the place it may be, English is very important. So without these English skills, you cannot achieve your goals, you cannot fulfill your dreams. Do you ever watch YouTube videos, mock interviews of IAS students? Have you ever watched that? There are many mock interviews on YouTube for IAS and IPS appearing students. Have you ever watched this? If you didn't watch, I will explain you one thing. See, many people, lakhs of people every year will appear for UPSC examinations, that is IAS IPS examinations for prelims and mains. Examination will be conducted at two levels, that is preliminary level and mains level, and after passing in these two standards, two levels, there will be an interview at final level, and lakhs of people every year appear for these examinations. And whenever I see mock interviews in YouTube, see, let me understand one thing. Among the lack of applicants, only people in hundreds will be called for interview. And you can easily understand that the people who are called for interview are very intelligent persons. But the people who are all called for interview will not become IAS IPS. Only a few people will become. Of course, they cleared preliminary examination, they cleared mains examination, and in interview only a few people succeeded and they became IPS, IAS, IRS, IFS, whatever it may be. And a few people, even though they are intelligent, even though they are clever, they are unable to crack the interview. What is the reason behind this? Why did they fail at the final step? Do you know the reason? The reason is again the same. They are not good at English. They are unable to express their ideas and thoughts. So to get a clear idea, you can watch many mock interviews on YouTube. So many people, even though they are intelligent, even though despite being very clever, outstanding intellectual levels, they failed at interviews. So you should not face that situation. As Rainbownians, you should not fail at the final step, which is called interview. Not only in interviews, wherever you go, you should be successful persons. That is why here you will be given series of 5 videos, the basic fundamental English grammar topics, and these 5 grammar topics will help you enhance your speaking skills, especially English speaking skills. So be careful while listening, be careful and note down everything, because English, see, if you see persons who are very well in speaking English, definitely they will be respected in the society. Yes, they are very unique if somebody is speaking well in English. So finally, the thing that I would like to say is, English is a symbol of pride. English is a symbol of respect. So we, on behalf of Rainbow Group of Schools, are striving hard to give you the best content. All you need is a bit of dedication and interest. So show the interest, as this is the lockdown period. You have plenty of time in your hand. So utilize this time for a good cause. Because if you enhance your English skills, that will be so better for you. Because it is not for us, it is not for the school, it is for you and for yourself. Because if you can able to learn well, if you can able to speak well, your future will be very, very bright. So I hope you understand, and I hope you start focusing English and you start listening well these videos, and I hope you will all learn and try to improve your English. Thank you.